Bitcoin mining is estimated to emit 65.4 megatons of CO2 annually. And as a crypto investor, you've probably seen the headlines about how Bitcoin is bad for the environment. Bitcoin mining consumes more energies than entire nations. And while much of this is true, many people leave out the fact that Bitcoin mining rigs are becoming much more energy efficient. We're seeing Bitcoin mining companies use more energy efficient sources like solar and nuclear potentially, and crypto projects are launching that are constantly trying to combat climate change. So today's video, I want to talk about the good going on in the crypto space, specifically with a project that has 3 different Web 3.0 features and dApps that are all targeted to combat climate change. So I want to talk about Chimpzee. It is a pre-sale that I did just invest in. I got in on stage 6. It still is on stage 6 of the pre-sale. You can see it on their website. They've raised right around $700,000, and this is going to be going on for a little bit longer. Their pre-sale, they're going to have a total of over 10 different pre-sale stages. So you can see all of that right here. It goes up to 16 different pre-sale stages, and over time, the price continues to get more and more. So earlier you get in, the more tokens you get for 1 USDT. As time goes on, it gets to be more expensive. So I got in on stage 6. I'll see if I buy more in the future. But the reason I wanted to talk about this is because Chimpzee recently planted 20,000 trees in Guatemala. There was a new recent article that came out that a lot of you guys were tagging me in, and this is as of June 17th. So last month, where Chimpzee, which is a new Web3 project with a lot of ideas and targets for combating climate change, they recently partnered with One Tree Planted to plant 20,000 trees and restore rainforests in the southwest coast of Guatemala. This is something that is very exciting, and this is just the beginning of their efforts moving forward. Not only do they have plans of planting trees, but they're targeting a number of other different organizations, from wild.org to Animal Haven to ASPCA to all these different that you can see listed on their website. They have a whole entire organization list. So this is one of the many reasons why I did invest in the project, but this isn't even scratching the surface of what this project does, because when you look at Chimpzee, there are 3 main aspects to the project. The first of which is that you are able to earn passive income and earn money from the project, from fighting climate change, from one of its 3 different aspects. The first is Chimpzee Shop. You can see it says Chimpzee Shop, NFT Marketplace, and Zero Tolerance Game. Chimpzee Shop, when you look at their white paper, it explains how this is shop to earn. This is the first way that you can earn income from the project, because with representing the commerce hub of the ecosystem, the Chimpzee store provides an opportunity to earn CHMPZ coins when customers purchase a variety of Chimpzee gear, whereas a percentage of the profits are donated to one of these different organizations on the list that we talked about before. So as you shop on the Chimpzee store, not only do you receive their native ecosystem token, CHMPZ, but you also are going to be contributing to them donating to charity. When you get these CHMPZ tokens for buying different products in their stores, this allows you to unlock special discounts, special offers within the ecosystem, and even purchase a Chimpzee NFT passport. The second aspect of the ecosystem is trade to earn. This comes into their Chimpzee NFT marketplace, which we just briefly mentioned. The Chimpzee NFT marketplace will be one of the first marketplaces that shares a portion of the trading fee profits with everyone on the platform. Ultimately, this means that users can earn a share of the trading fees generated on the marketplace by holding a Chimpzee NFT passport or by actively trading on the marketplace. This is important because NFTs generated tens of billions of dollars in revenue in the last year, in 2022. And this market is still growing, still very new, but anyone who owns a Chimpzee NFT passport is going to be able to earn a portion of the fees and income generated by the platform. So if you own an NFT, you benefit as the NFT marketplace continues to grow. As people are transacting on it, buying, selling, trading, you are going to get actually a portion of those fees. And the third aspect of this project that you can earn money with is play to earn. This is probably the most straightforward, the most thing that people are going to be excited about, because with play to earn, they're building out a game, the zero tolerance game. And it's a game that rewards users with CHMPZ coins, their native ecosystem token, when they reach certain milestones, providing an additional opportunity to earn through the platform. So like I said, you can earn with shop to earn in their store by simply buying different items. You receive CHMPZ tokens. In addition to this, it is with the trade to earn with their NFT marketplace and with their Chimpzee NFT passport. And the third is play to earn, going to be through their game. This is game, it's called zero tolerance game, because there's zero tolerance for abuses against nature and the environment. And ultimately, the game's name emphasizes how the project is trying to combat climate change, trying to give back to all these different organizations that are good for the environment. That is why it's called zero tolerance, because they have zero tolerance for people, who are doing any harm against the environment. So those are the main things about this project. Not only this though, but more importantly is that when you look at the website right now, you can see how they've talked about how they're currently in stage 6, just raised over $700,000. They talk about how, their verified contract, the white paper, which we briefly mentioned, and how they've been on a number of different news articles, as well as been fully audited and verified. But more importantly, in my opinion, when you start scrolling down a bit, you can see how there are exclusive benefits that you will receive as a person who owns a Chimpzee NFT passport. So by having a Chimpzee NFT passport, not only are you going to be able to get revenue generated from the NFT marketplace, but also you're going to be able to stake your NFT and earn up to 20% APY. You're going to be able to earn a larger share. You're going to be able to earn more tokens from different aspects in the game. And on top of all this, you're going to be able to make your own NFT passport and build the most immersive gaming experience. This is ultimately only for Diamond and Gold Chimpzee NFTs are going to be able to create a free avatar. So ultimately, if you buy into the pre-sale now, before stage 6 ends, you can scroll down and you could see right here how it talks about with Chimpzee Diamond is stages 1 to 6, and Chimpzee Gold is between stages 7 to 9. So by getting in now, you get a whitelist spot to get a Chimpzee NFT passport. And you need to have a Chimpzee Diamond or Chimpzee Gold in order to ultimately be able to make your own customized avatar for the game. So this is something that is very important and more beneficial. That is why I got in now. Currently they're still in phase 2. They have a whole entire roadmap listed out through phase 7 where they talk about building out their play to earn NFT game, creating an animated series, launching NFT staking, launching their NFT marketplace, and many more. But right now they still are just in the very early stages where they have announced the pre-sale, raised a couple $100,000, closing in on that $1 million mark, and soon they're going to be launching on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. So I did buy in on stage 6, mostly because I like their mission. I like how they're giving back to the environment, and a lot of you guys have been telling me about this project on Twitter. So let me know your thoughts on this. I know a lot of you guys had wanted me to talk about it, so that's my thoughts. I think it's a really cool project. I like their mission, giving back to the environment. I like how they have those 3 different ways where you can earn income with the shop to earn, trade to earn, and play to earn. So let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.